So I realized while filming the video that I didn't properly explain why I called it a Chinese mystery box. And the reason is because when this person contacted me, their dialect and the way they were talking seemed like they were not Anglo. And it also seemed like they were not Pakistani. So I was just like, is this actually a Chinese brand? And then they said they want to send me PR. So I was just like, yes, please go ahead. But then they had to send it all the way from China. So I was thinking, maybe it's just a scam and they're not going to send it. But I sent them my address, and I even forgot. I sent them my address and I forgot about this completely because their package was received by me, I think, 2 months later or 3 months later. But I would still like to thank Kim Use Cosmetics for sending me their products. They're all amazing. I'm going to link their shop below at AliExpress, so do try it out. Hi guys, I'm Yusra. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. A little disclaimer, you guys are going to be slightly upset because this video is going to be completely in English, or I'll try to make it mostly in English because I received a Chinese mystery box. Now, why I call it a mystery box is because I was contacted on Instagram by this brand called Kim Use Cosmetics. I'll just mention it somewhere here. And the person who contacted me did not seem like a Pakistani, and he did not seem like someone who was very, very fluent in even understanding English. And that's when it struck me that this person could actually be Chinese. And then this person mentioned that they were Chinese. They have a shop at AliExpress. The website and the links will be down below. And they wanted to send me some products of Kim Use Cosmetics, and they wanted me to try it and upload it on my channel for all of you guys to see. So if you guys want to see how these products play out, please keep watching, and this is the look that I've created with it. Go watch this. Okay guys, so vacation is over and I am back to filming in my room. और सबसे पहली चीज़ जो मैं यूज़ करना चाहूँगी, okay, so the first thing that I will be using, I'm actually used to talking in Urdu now, but I think I'll just talk in English so that everyone can understand this video, is Primer Match by Face Laboratories by Kim Use. It's this tiny primer right here. It doesn't say if it is a mattifying primer or not, but we're just going to try it. I haven't even opened it yet. Just gonna open it. So I'm taking some of this primer on the back of my hand. Okay? It's hydrating, I think. I thought it was going to be a mattifying primer, but it feels so nice and soft and hydrating. अच्छा, बीच बीच में अगर मैं थोड़ी उर्दू बोल रही हूँ या इंग्लिश उर्दू मिक्स कर रही हूँ, आई एम सॉरी बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट अ हैबिट, बट yeah, it's a very hydrating primer and I absolutely like it, love it. I don't know if it's dewy or not, but it's hydrating for sure, and it feels so nice and soft on the skin. Next I have these two concealers. I actually thought this was a foundation, but it says creamy concealer, so I'm going to try both of them out. But before that, I'm going to put a canvas of some sort of a foundation that I'm used to. So for foundation, I will be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I'll just put it on and be right back. So I have applied a very light layer of my foundation, which was the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Concealer Match Face Laboratories by Kim Use, this tiny concealer. Take some on my hand right here. Come out, come out. Okay, this is not coming out. Okay, I've literally been trying like for a million times, or this is not coming out at all. So I guess I will have to try it in some other video. Instead, I'm going to use this creamy concealer, and it is by Kim Use foundation, and it is in the color Ivory Nude. I hope it matches me. Yeah, it looks like it can match. And I don't know, I wonder if I can use this as a foundation as well. Let's see. So I'm going to take my flat brush and apply on areas that I would normally apply concealer, and maybe add like a little bit of coverage to these areas. You know, it feels so weird to do this video completely in English because I was the kind of person who would always speak in English, and then like all of you guys were like, थोड़ा कम इंग्लिश में बात किया करें, use more of Urdu. But today we're doing this for our Chinese friends who have sent me these Kim Yu's cosmetics. Okay guys, so I've just blended the concealer out, and as you can see, it's actually a really good concealer. It's not super full coverage, just around, you'll have like some high-end concealers that are super full coverage, like the Huda Beauty concealer. It's not full coverage, it's not like NARS spot concealer or something, but it covers beautifully. If you guys have been watching my videos, आपको पता होगा कि from here usually I have pimple marks and scarring and everything. So that is usually visible. My under eye is visible, and I'm having such a horrible headache today. My under eyes look like really sunken in and deep, but that's not the case today. Like with this concealer, like it's a lot helpful. It's just, I know English is not coming out naturally for me today because I'm so used to talking to you guys in Urdu now that I feel like it's taking a little bit of effort, but it's okay. We'll get there. I'm just setting my face with Coty Airspun. Okay guys, next it's time for brows. For brows, I have Kim Yu's One Step Brow Gel. Perfect brows that last for days. So I don't know how it's going to be. Let's see. Oh, so there's a tiny spoolie here. That is nice. I always wanted a tiny spoolie that I could probably carry around in my bag and brush those brows up. Let me see how it fits. I'm just going to brush my hair up with this spoolie really quick. And this is a really nice size of a spoolie for your brows, honestly. Okay. And what else do we have in this? Okay. So we have this. I don't know if it's a tint. How do you even apply it? I have no idea. I think you use this here. And then you apply it here. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's how you do it. I'm just trying to take it one step at a time because I don't know how harsh this could be. Okay, so it can get a little bit harsh. So if you don't want it to get harsh, then you have to like keep brushing it. And as you can see, it can spread a little bit as well. I hit my hand on my brow, so it spread a little bit. I'm just applying some concealer and wiping it out. But overall, this product is good. I feel like you just have to get used to it. You cannot apply it directly with this the brush inside. You'll have to use another brush, and this is in the color black brown, by the way. Yeah, black brown. But it's a good product. It's interesting because I've never used anything like this, and I know okay, if I get used to it, I think I'll get much better at it. Next we have this beautiful palette, and for some reason it's called My Dog Eyeshadow Palette. Now I don't know if this is like a translation error or what. Oh, okay, so it makes sense because there's an actual dog on it. How cute. And let's see how the palette looks like. Okay, this is how the palette looks like. It's very similar to one of the Anastasia palettes. Since it is an eyeshadow palette and it has like colors that you can use for winters, I think I'm going to do like a very wintry look. So let's start with the eye makeup. Okay, for the eye makeup, first and foremost, I'm going to use the color Roam, ROAM, and I'm going to put it in my crease. I'm also going to show you a few swatches along the way. And it's going to be an easy look so that, some of my audience that prefers, oh my god, I did such a huge mistake. Rome is actually kind of shimmery and it's in my crease now. Anyway, so for some of my audience that is not very well versed with English, it's okay. This is going to be a very easy makeup, and I'm sure that you guys are going to be you can follow along if you want to. So I'm applying Rome in my crease and blending it out. Okay, so once I'm okay with the blend on Rome, even though it is a little bit shimmery, we have to do what we have to do. I'm going to use pads is this cute color with a paw, and I'm just going to blend it a little bit here. On both sides. Next, I don't know how it's going to play out, but I'm taking this color Fur, which is this one, and I'm applying it to two corners of my eye, here and here. So I'll just show you how. I'm going to start by applying it here, okay, inner corner se thoda sa aage, right here, just before the inner corner, and I'm going to be blending it out upwards. And Fur is a super pigmented color, so I don't know if I should have done that. And again applying it here on the outer V. As you can see, Fur is super pigmented, and I'm very happy with how it's turning out. So I applied this color Fur on both sides and then bridged it together, and now what I'm doing is taking a fluffy brush with some Rome on it and blending it out like that in circular motions until I'm happy with the blend. Additionally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a clean brush like this and just swipe it over the colors to ensure everything is nice and blended. Like that. Next, I'm going to take a flat brush like this one, and I'm going to put it in this color Hunting, load my brush up, okay, and apply it to the middle of my eye. What I'm trying to go for is sort of like a smoky spotlight look, but not exactly. Applying it in the center, trying to blend it with the other colors. Okay, so I've put this color right in the center of both eyes, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a tiny brush like this and use this color Territory and blend these two shades from here like that, and try to soften the look up. After I've blended everything out and I think it looks okay, I'm going to take this color, the same one, Hunting, on my finger and just tap. For the lower lash line, I'm taking the same brush that I took for my brows because it has a little bit of brown on it, and I'm just smudging it out here. The color, I'm taking the color Fur, the one that I put on the sides of my eye, like on the outer V, and I'm just smoking it out a bit. Taking this color Glaze. Oh my god, it's a beautiful duochrome color. Look at that, so beautiful. And I'm just going to apply it right here. I think Glaze is going to be my most favorite shade ever. Next, I'm going to do my contour off camera because there is no contouring product that is given to me. However, there is a blush. So I'm going to show you the blush and the liner, but before that, you will see an insert of some of the swatches. So here are some of the swatches from this palette. As you can see, not all of them are super pigmented, but they're definitely buildable, and it is a beautiful palette. It's called My Dog palette. Okay, next I'm quickly going to apply liner. So for the liner, first I have this eyebrow medium brown eyeliner black, and this is a two-sided pencil. One side is a very precise liner. Let me just show it to you on my hand. This is the liner. It's very black and very precise. And on the other side, we have this super precise brow brush, brow brush. Here you go. So it's a liner and a brow product in one, which I think is great specifically for traveling. And the second liner that I have is a take on Kat Von D's tattoo liner, which is Kim Yu's tattoo liner. You guys must have seen this in my Turkey vlog because I liked it so much when I swatched it. This was the only product I swatched before that I started using it. It's super precise. So for today, I think I'll just use the tattoo liner and just make a line, simple black line. It is super black and smudge proof. I have not been given any specific mascara, so I'm just going to apply some mascara, lashes, do my contour, and come back in front of you. To do is use this water candy tint. It's not from Kimuse Cosmetics, and I'm using this tint because I'm going to go out in a bit and I have to wear a mask anyway because of COVID. So a tint is much more long lasting option than any kind of lipstick. And I know that a tint does not go with this overall look, but why I'm using a tint is just because I know that I'll have to wear a mask. And no one can actually see beyond this point, so might as well. So I have a tint on, and the last thing that I'm really excited to use, where is it, is this liquid blush by Kimuse Cosmetics. It's a liquid blusher, and this is how it looks like. And why I'm excited to use this is because I feel like it's going to do a really good job. The color is really beautiful, and this is in the color Milk Tea 03, and I love milk tea. So, and like I said, I knew that it's going to be super beautiful. Just going to blend it in. You can also use a brush to blend it in. I think a brush will do very well here. I'm using this brush. So guys, this is the final result. I've just changed my outfit, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and this makeup look and this review. Overall, Kimuse Cosmetics is actually really good, and it's super affordable. I know that on AliExpress, I think initially I said Alibaba in the video, but on AliExpress, what I saw was that most of the payments were written in dollars. But even for that, you know, when you convert it, it was really affordable, and the quality of the products is there. I'm really thankful for receiving this Chinese mystery box, and I hope you guys did not mind that most of this video, or almost all of this video, was in English. Next time we'll be back to speaking Urdu, but we had to do this for our friends in China. With that, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.